In this video, I will quickly show you how to deposit with the various fiat options available in your region. Once logged into your trader dashboard, click the Deposit Funds tab. Notice my wallet has no funds in it currently. From the drop-down, select Fiat. Please note that the options available to you will be based on your region. Click Continue. On the following screen, type in the amount you wish to deposit and click Continue. This will redirect you to the payment portal. If this is your first time doing a fiat deposit, you will need to create your account. Again, this only needs to be done the first time. If you are returning after your first time, you will just be prompted to log in. The form will automatically populate all of your data from the trader dashboard, and you will just need to create your password and click Continue. Next, you will see the fiat deposit options available to you in your region. Additional options will be added as our ongoing commitment to providing you the very best. In this example, I will select Credit Debit Card and click I agree. Here, you can select Google Pay, previously saved cards, or enter new cards. I will enter a new card. Make sure all information, especially the billing information, is entered correctly, or the payment will be unsuccessful. Once complete, click the Pay button. You will now see that your payment is being processed and can take up to 10 minutes. Do not close the tab or refresh your browser. Soon, you will see the status change, and at this point, your bank will approve the transaction, ask for 3D verification, or you will be notified if you input any incorrect details for your card information. In this case, the payment was successful. I will now click Close Widget, and this will redirect me back to my trader dashboard. As you can see, the amount is now available in my wallet. We soon will add bank wire, ACH transfers, and SEPA banking options over the coming weeks. Thanks for watching.